Let me ask you something. When was the last time you and your partner actually built something together? Not paid bills, not survived another month, but built something that grows even when you're not working. Because right now, most couples are stuck. 2 incomes, 2 jobs, 0 freedom. You barely see each other. And when you do, you're tired, stressed, talking about bills, not about dreams. That's not a relationship, that's survival. And the crazy part is, you're both working harder than ever and still falling behind. Inflation's up, costs are up, time is gone, nothing to pass down but exhaustion. But what if instead of trading time for money, separately you build an asset together? Something simple, something boring, but something that works. Couples across the country are doing this right now with ATMs. Not hype, not crypto, not real estate headaches. A real cash flowing asset you can build as a team. Today I'm going to show you how families are building passive income together with ATMs, while it strengthens their relationships and how it turns something your kids can inherit. Let's get into it. Today we're covering 3 things. While the ATM business is perfect for couples and families, how working together on ATM strengthens both your relationship and your finances, and how to build a real legacy your kids can inherit. Here's the reality. Most couples don't need another side hustle, they need an asset. Something both partners can work on without it consuming their life. Right now, most couples are in survival mode, both working full time, barely seeing each other, and 40 or 50 hours a work week. You're still living paycheck to paycheck. I hear this constantly. We want to build something together. We want to own something, but we don't have any time for a complicated business. We don't have $50,000 for real estate. We don't want employee inventory or a storefront. And we don't want something that adds more stress to our relationship. That's why ATMs work. You can start around $6,000 total machines plus the cash that goes into the ATMs. No storefront, no employees, no inventory. Once it's set up, it only takes a few hours a month to manage. One partner scouts locations during their lunch breaks. The other handles banking and paperwork at night. You place the machine together, you refill it once or twice a month, and you both watch the deposits hit your account daily. That's ownership, that's teamwork, and it doesn't steal your time. Here's what you do. Sit down with your partner tonight and ask this. What if we build something together that makes money while we sleep? What if we owned an asset instead of working forever? What if we could do this without quitting our jobs or risking everything? Most people want this, they just don't know where to start. ATMs are that starting point. When couples build ATMs together, something changes. You start making decisions as a team. Where could we place the machine? Which location makes sense? What should we offer the store owner in terms of commission? You're talking about goals, not just bills. Future, not survival. Instead of stressing about your money, you're building assets that really make a difference. Instead of fighting about spending, you're celebrating deposits. Financially, it works like this. One ATM makes about $300 to $500 a month. Not life-changing yet, but it's yours. Reinvest it. Now you have 2, $300 to $600 a month. Now you can add 3, 4, even 5 machines. Now you're seeing a real difference in your monthly income. And you did it all together. In real life, one partner handles people and the location, the other partner handles the banking and the records. Once or twice a month, you run the route together just to see how the route is functioning. 3 or 4 machines, refill the cash, grab breakfast, go home. It's almost like a romantic playbook. A few hours, income built, relationship stronger. Now we get to point number 3. Here's the hard truth. Your job doesn't leave your kids anything. When you stop working paycheck to paycheck, everything stops. A 401k isn't a business that you can leave behind, but the ATM business is. 5 to 10 years from now, you can have 10 to 15 machines, $3,000 or $4,000 a month rolling in cash flow, on and on, every day. That's real income. That's the difference. If your kids can't run it, they can sell it. Either way, they inherited an asset that just keeps on building wealth. Memories for you, not working nonsense. I've seen families do this. Parents teaching kids how to refill machines, how to talk to store owners, how to make money that actually works for them. That's the legacy. Ownership, education, income that continues. If you and your partner are serious about building passive income together and creating real wealth legacy that you could pass down to your kids, download our free guide in the description that shows exactly how you start an ATM business. Don't just survive together, build a life and real assets together. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more real life content that can help you change your future. We also have the ATM Mastermind group page that's free to join for like-minded individuals just like yourself. See you guys at the next ATM Mastermind video.